Hi viewers, and welcome to our channel Climax Tech Product Summary. Electactic Ice Maker, Commercial Ice Machine, 100 pounds/day, Stainless Steel Ice Machine with 48 pounds capacity, ideal for restaurant, bars, home, and offices, includes scoop thing details. Name, 1. Powerful ice making capacity. This commercial ice machine adopts a brand imported compressor, which can make 48 pieces of ice in 12 to 18 minutes and 100 pounds of ice in 24 hours. 2. It is a machine with fast ice production speed, low noise, high efficiency and low energy consumption. It is the best choice for commercial use. 3. Design. Made of durable stainless steel, the surface of the ice maker is smooth and hygienic. Stainless steel finish greatly improves its durability, firmness and service life. Standalone ice maker can be easily installed, and the size of the ice maker is 17.6 by 15.7 by 31.4 inches. 2-inch on the bottom keep ice maker away from moisture on the ground, and the weight is 69.95 pounds. 4. Large storage capacity. This ice maker can store 48 pounds of ice at one time. A thick insulation layer can extend the storage time of ice cubes, and the attached ice spoons can move ice cubes more easily. 5. You can hang it on the hook on the inner wall after use. Commercial ice machine is not a refrigerator, so please transfer the ice to the refrigerator for storage. 6. Easy to use. The individual control panel has LCD indicators to display water and ice production functions. You can adjust the ice production time and the thickness of the ice by pressing the plus or button. It is also equipped with automatic cleaning. Please clean the ice maker and keep it upright 24 hours before first using. 7. Widely used, freestanding design allows you to install the device wherever you want. Compact shapes are most suitable for homes, restaurants, bars, hotels, grocery stores, coffee shops, supermarkets, bakery, schools, hospitals, etc. 8. Our company specializes in selling refrigeration equipment. Products include wine coolers, mini ice machines, and commercial ice machines. We have 8 warehouses in the country. 9. It is our honor that you can choose our products. We will provide you with the best products and services specifications for this item. Brand name, Electactic Capacity, 48 pounds cooler, black and sliver size, 17.6 by 15.7 by 31.4 inches. Weight, 69.96 pounds. Installation type, freestanding material, stainless steel. Product description. 1. Capacity, 48.0 pounds, 100.0 pounds. 2. Display type, LCD. 3. IN, 07578379268664. Included components, LZ58455. Installation type, freestanding. 6. Is assembly required? False. 7. Item weight, 70.0 pounds. 8. Material, stainless steel. 9. Number of items, 110. Part number, LZ584511. Pattern, ice maker 12. Size, 100 pounds/cube ice 13. UNSPS code, 48,101,714. UPC, 757,837,926,866.